Hey guys, welcome to another Revit tutorial. In this video, we are going to see about how to put a void opening in your steel beams. Let's see how to do that. In a situation where your generic family or normal model in place, it's not working or cutting through your steel beams, do this. Two methods. One is you can go to Architecture tab and then select biface option from the opening panel, and then you can choose your plane or face and choose this plane, and then go to a top view, draw your profile, and then click finish. Now you have your opening. Or else you can do, once you have done the mitted connection with the steel beams, like this, I will do a mitter. Okay, it's now it's like a join in the steel beams. So if you have a mitter, this architecture biface option will not work anymore. So I will show it to you. Just I will draw the same profile over here. So you can see that, right? It's not worked. So this is the problem we have. So what we need to do in this situation is go to the steel tab and then bring the modifiers, and then here you have an option called countercut. So you can select this option and then put select your face, and then whatever profile you need, you can draw like this, and then click finish. So now you have your opening in your steel beam. Like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.